Is that part of the border? Oh, okay. Those trees are good. Are we still doing 4? Or are we?
I think we're doing this whole side. Yeah, now we have 8 people on our team. We're just advancing that way, then we're going to turn on each other. No, I thought we were going to turn on the zombies. Yeah, we might turn on each other in the meantime when the resources get scarce. And it's everyone man for themselves.
All we have to do is just stay in the middle of the field, and there's too many resources.
We'll let them kill each other and then switch.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I see how it plays out.
Whoa, traitor!
Hey, we're all to squad it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Are you out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's move this way while they're...
I'm dead, I gotta go.
You already out?
Yeah. Well, he got me the first time. They got me the second time, then they got me the third time.
I have 1 life left.
Yeah, after everything went down, we didn't have a great spot. There was like nowhere to hide.
Fuck. 1,